Okay, here's another situation. Here's an OEM Toyota part, genuine Toyota. You got a genuine Toyota condenser, very high quality, manufactured by Denso company, extremely high quality. It comes with the proper ND12 oil recommended for this car, for this condenser from the factory. This is inside this package. When you buy this condenser, you get this oil. When you buy this condenser, you get that little clip with the O-rings, because this is the Toyota clip that always breaks and the guys try to reuse them, and then you fill it up with refrigerant. It holds for a day, 2 days, maybe a week, but because they damaged it taking it out and they don't know it and they might have not put it back correctly, it blows out and you're spending a couple $100, plus you have to take apart the whole front end to replace the condenser again because you didn't buy the original OEM Toyota. You bought an aftermarket. If you buy aftermarket, when it fails and you have to spend several $100s and have a comeback and have a mad customer and have to take everything apart, possibly drain the coolant, move the radiator out, the fan and everything like that, just to get the condenser out. If you do that by using an aftermarket, you deserve what you get. If you buy OEM, you deserve what you get. You get good quality work with no comebacks every time. This is why you buy OEM. That's the difference. OEM or aftermarket shit. This technician pointed this out to me, and he asked me specifically, this is the first time he's seen this clip, and he wants to know, how do I take it out? And I go, don't worry, you just break it out. They break all the time. You'll get another one if you buy OEM. And then he showed me that they did get OEM condenser. And so I said, no problem, you're good to go. But he asked me, when I come back, he wants me to show him how to take this out and how to put the new one back in. And I will show him how to properly do it the first time, because he's a little nervous and he doesn't want to come back. He doesn't want to make a mistake. He's never seen it before. So I'll do that for him in this shop. I'll take out the time and show him how to do it one time, and he will learn and he'll do it right. And if you're a shop owner or just a worker, it doesn't matter. You either learn about this stuff or you're going to pay a really big expensive price if you have to redo one of these, as many shops have learned the hard way. Don't skimp. Don't buy aftermarket. Get OEM. That's all I got to say. See you.